Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kohli Star Image School, and this is the episode 2 of IELTS Part 1 Question C. Let's talk about time. Are you a morning or an afternoon person?
Well, speaking honestly, I usually wake up late in the morning, so I would consider that I'm not a morning person.
What is your favorite part of the day?
Well, evening is my most favorite part of the day because it is the time when I get to spend some quality time with my family.
How do you spend time with your family?
I usually sit together with them and enjoy tea or coffee and chit chat about the whole happenings or mishappenings of my day.
Okay. Do you like to plan your daily routine?
Well, no, I don't plan my daily routine because I usually do the same things at the same time every day.
Okay. So, do you like your daily routine then?
No, I really don't like my daily routine because it has become very monotonous. So
Hmm.
I really want to change my routine, but due to some reasons, I'm not able to do so.
Okay. What if some unexpected guest turns up at your home? Then, do you like to change your daily routine?
Yes, well, I think that would be need of hour.
Hmm.
I would have to change my routine in those situations.
Okay, okay. So as you mentioned that your daily routine becomes very monotonous and you feel very tired, then what do you do to break that monotony?
Well, I usually watch some Netflix
Hmm.
movies or other shows, or even sometimes I like to go to some restaurants with my friends to have a change.
Okay. So do you think that people's life have become very stressful these days?
Yes, definitely it has become because nowadays I think people have become goal oriented, they have become money minded, and in a race to earn more and more money, they have become very busy and adopted a very monotonous lifestyle.
Okay. And how does it affect their personal lives?
Well, obviously, it has destructive impact on their personal lives as they are not able to maintain work life balance.
Okay. So what suggestions would you like to give to them?
Well, I would suggest that people need to manage their time in a systematic way
Hmm.
so they can spend some quality time with their family members and even they can spare some time to spend by themselves other than their professional life.
Okay. So when was the last time you met your friends?
I think it was a month ago when one of my friend came back to India from Canada, and really I met her after like about 2 years, and it was the long time, and I would say that was the time I met her.
Okay. How did you spend time with her?
Well, as I already said that I have a very hectic schedule, so I got very less time to spend. Her, I just had a cup of coffee and had some gala time with her, and spent about 1.5 hours with her.
So, Rita, do you like to make new friends?
Well, definitely, yes. I love to make new friends, but I would say I'm very choosy in terms of making friends, and I only prefer like-minded people to be my friends.
Have you recently made any new friend?
No, I have. It was about an year ago when I made a new friend.
Okay. So, do you think that we can find true friends on social media sites?
No, I don't think so because nowadays most of the people on the social media are fake.
Hmm.
They have fake identities, and even the fake social media accounts are made by the people. So it's quite hard to trust those people and make them friends.
But why people make these fake accounts on social media sites?
Well, I think it is part of cybercrime. Most of the people do so in order to cheat others or make them victim of fraud or to misguide
Okay.
them.
So, what do you think? Should any action be taken against such people who make fake IDs on these social media sites?
Definitely, it should be taken, and I think it should have been taken till now. I am surprised that government has not introduced any of the legal laws against such people.
Okay. So, do you like to use social media?
Yes, definitely. I love to use social media apps, and I most of the time prefer using Instagram, Snapchat, or
Which
WhatsApp.
is your favorite application?
I would say WhatsApp and Instagram are my most favorite applications.
And which is the most popular one in your country?
I would say these two are the popular along with
Okay, so
Snapchat.
that is the end of today's session. So before leaving, do like the video and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more such videos.
Thank you.
Thank you.